In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a coupon for your product in Kajabi. Hey there, I'm Gina, and my job is to make Kajabi easy for you so that you can create your own website without a developer or without a designer. You can actually do this on your own. If you need just a few tips and tricks and you're new here, be sure to subscribe with the button down below. And anytime I link to anything in the video, I will always put it in the description. All right, let's go. Hey there, I am going to show you how to create a coupon. All right, we're hopping right in. I am on my Kajabi page right here where I can actually customize my page. On the left, I've got my website, products, marketing, and people. Your coupons are always going to be attached to a certain product. So want to get in here to products, and then you will go straight to your offers. So for each product that you have in your website, in your business, you're going to have an offer for that. So it might be a one-time payment, it might be, multiple payments like monthly payments or something like that. But you'll always have an offer so that people can actually check out and buy. So once you get into offers, you're going to see what they are here. It'll list all your offers. And to create a coupon, it's actually kind of hidden right here in plain view, but sometimes hard to find. So you want to go ahead and click on coupons. And it's going to ask you if you want to create a single coupon code or bulk coupon codes. If you're going to create a coupon like Gina 20% off or something like that, or Black Friday or anything with a name to it, it's always going to be the single coupon code. Bulk coupon codes are just going to be a series of different numbers that people can use one time only. So unless that's exactly what you want to stay away from that one. We're going to do a single coupon code and continue. All right, coupon code. This is where we are going to call it something. So let's call it Black Friday. And it's going to be all one word, no spaces. You can create a percentage off, or you can do a dollar amount off. So just for our sample here, let's do 20% off. And then you're going to tell it whether you want this only to be able to be used one time, or if you want it to be available for a series of times. So if you're giving out the coupon like over social media or at the top of your web page as a special announcement, then it is going to be the one called multi-month. So this makes it available for longer and for more people, or you can make it available forever. So maybe you always want to have a shipping code for anything over $50. You can make it forever. For this particular one, we're going to do a multi-month. And now it wants to know how long is this going to last. So we can do 1 month, and we are going to make it valid through, let's say, the 13th of November. I know it's Black Friday, but so you can set the dates on however you want. It doesn't have to be a certain number of months. It can actually be just until a certain day. So don't let that confuse you. All right, so everything is done here. Now this is where most people get stuck. You're going to save. And if you tried to go in and actually give this coupon a test right now, using everything that you've just created, Black Friday, it won't work. And the reason why it won't work is you haven't assigned it to a particular offer. So on this next page right here is where you will assign it. It doesn't look like you have anything to do, but here at the bottom is where you include it. So in order to attach a coupon to an offer, you actually have to add it here. And you'll see you can click that plus sign right here, add offer. And then you'll look at your drop-down menu and see which offers you want to allow that coupon to be used on. You can pick as many as you want, but you have to pick at least one, otherwise it won't work. So I'm going to go ahead and let this Black Friday coupon be available for my VIP level of group coaching. And I think I might also add it to, let's pick another one here, to the personalized coaching. So just those two things, and you don't even have to hit save or anything else. It's all done. just go back here and check on your coupons. You'll see it here at the top. The Black Friday coupon is available 20% off for 1 month or through November 13th, and it's available on these two offers. All right, stay tuned for just a sec while we check in with Sophie the Bulldog. Checking in on Sophie girl. Hey, you been helping me with my work today? What do you think? You wagging your tail? All right, that's it for this video. I hope that you totally have mastered the art of creating your coupon. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments below. Also, if you're new here, hit the subscribe button and the like button so that you don't miss out on any more tips and tricks coming your way.